I was carving today. I didn't shoot a video on it, but it's kind of cool what the end result was of this carving. I wanted to show it to you. So let me show you what I got here. So this is a piece of driftwood that I was carving, and I just put a little mouth in right here, made this into a kind of a horn, and then put an eye in here. And when I was making it with the eye here, the nose here, and the horn. But I want to see if you can see this on video. If you look, you can also see a nose here. Same eye, nose with the mouth here. And I think if you just go like that, you can see it. But then the face is over here as well. So now the nose is over here. It's a nice, cool optical illusion. Just thought I'd share that with you. Kind of cool.